My name is Yiannis Alexiou. I come from Greece, but I live in London for the last 15 years. I'm an actor and a scriptwriter, and I'm just about to direct my first film too. I'm an occupational therapist. I work in a private hospital and I specialized in neurological rehabilitation too. My tics, funny enough, I don't have any. What did you say? I speak Greek. I speak English fluent. I speak basic Arabic and very, very little Spanish and Italian, but very little. I can, indeed. I've done many years of, first of all, Greek dancing. I did modern dance, but I have done some gymnastics as well in the past, so I'm quite flexible with my body and I have very good control and core stability. I'm not sure. You should ask my friends about that. But I think I'm a little bit funny, but not too much. Like I'm very lucky. So my friends call me Indigo Child. I think they think I have a little star. I hope they're true. Oof, quite a few very nice ones. One highlight is definitely a short film that I did with Edoardo Pasolini, an Italian guy, and that was filmed in Tuscany. That was a beautiful film. Another one was my film that it was produced last year, and it was my first script, and it went into production last year in London, and I won 3 very big awards this year as the best LGBT film at the London Independent Film Festival, and then I won 2 awards at the London Greek Film Festival for best script and best actress.